Welcome to this LiveCompare tutorial. In this session, I'll focus on consuming Smart Impact Analysis results and provide guidance on how to navigate the Excel file report. Smart Impact Analysis supports small and large change events in SAP. Small change events include transports and charm IDs. Large change events include applying support and enhancement packs. When consuming the results, the key distinction between small and large change events is noticeable on the home sheet. For small change events, we list every changing object contained in the transport set with a link to the impacted applications that invoke them. Applying support packs is a large change event that demands a different kind of layout on the home sheet results. Support stacks can contain over 1 million changed objects, and instead of listing all of them, Smart Impact pivots the data and lists all of your used SAP application capabilities, prioritizing them by the most at risk. The dashboard text tiles indicate we analyzed a bundle of transports on March 25th within ECC Development Client 110. Our used SAP application's performance history is from ECC Production, and we have 3 years of history collected on the LiveCompare server. And for this analysis, our test integration is with the Qtest Golden project. The transports analyzed contain mostly ABAP-related objects, with some configuration, data, and security-related changes as well. Structures and table definitions were the most common changed object types. These changes impacted 130 SAP transactions, of which 22 are most at risk. Web applications, including Fiori, programs, smart forms, APIs, and security-related objects were also identified as impacted and most at risk. When we look at these most at-risk objects and their related test coverage status within the Qtest Golden project, we see we have some work to do if we want to achieve more coverage in our continuous testing platform, especially with our APIs. Before we move on to the Smart Impact Analysis details, I want to take a moment to point out the help sheet, where you can learn about the differences between impacted and most at-risk objects, as well as terms like business critical and depth. The first column is the change ID, which will be the transports or the charm IDs that were analyzed. Child type and name are the changing objects contained in the transports. The child name hyperlink provides visibility on how the object changed. There are 4 types of change you can filter by: ABAP, configuration, data, and security. The use SAP applications that invoke the changing object can be seen by double-clicking on the impacted object's value. Now we're on the impacted object sheet, filtered by the changing object. In this example, table STXB has changed. At a depth of 5, it is invoked by VA01, the Create Sales Order T-code. VA01 has many DIMPRO screens. The specific screen impacted is the Sales Document Initial screen. Excel does not have a Go Back feature, so to get back to where we just were, just click on the Impacted Object sheet. VA01 was used in production 146,000 times by 13 different users. The top user is this LC user account. There are 21 related tests. Here are the test IDs, names, and paths. VA01 is in the Sales and Distribution application area, the VA Dev class. It is not a custom object, but it is business critical and most at risk. To view only most at risk objects, select the spreadsheet, click Data, clear Filter, and then select Y in the most at risk column.